Yo guys, welcome to Crepflips. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video for the Nike Sacai Blazer Low. I bought these for £113 from Nike Sneakers in a UK size 10. If you do go on to enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more sneaker based content, and let's get into the video. So I've just finished unboxing the Blazer Lows, and my thoughts and opinions are, I think these are a nice shoe. I could see them getting good use in the summer as they're a low cut pair of sneakers, and they do look very comfortable. I do like the colorway. The black and white I think is really effective with the double lacing, and I think is a good touch. The bit of orange on the tag for the double tongue is also a nice touch. These sneakers are quite heavy, which was quite surprising as I owned the pine green Nike Sacai's and they weren't nearly as heavy as these. These Blazer Lows are quite heavy. Comfort on the shoe, they are a comfortable shoe. The padding at the back makes it nice and snug for your foot. The double lacing is a little bit annoying, so it's going to take a bit of getting used to and finding the right lacing pattern for me. So I would rate these sneakers an 8 out of 10. I think they are good value for money, retailing at £113, which is normally on the lower end of a collaboration sneaker, especially a statement collaboration like Nike and Sacai. These might be one of my go-to summer shoes for this year, so I look forward to wearing these out. Let me know in the comments down below if you agree with my assessment of these shoes. Let me know if you picked up your own pair and how do you feel about them. There is going to be a white version of this unboxing coming in the next couple of days, so stick around for that, and if you enjoyed, like the video. Thank you for watching. See you later.